Hello, good day and welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll be looking at question number 9, NECO Physics 2021. The question goes this way: a football is projected to reach maximum range if the initial velocity is half u. Express the highest vertical distance attained in terms of u and g. Open bracket, sine 45 degrees is equal to 1 over root 2. Now, let's solve this problem together. Solution, let me divide the board. Solution. So we are going, the question is, express the highest vertical distance attained in terms of what u and g. So we are going to use the third equation of motion to solve this problem. It goes this way: v squared is equal to u squared. The object is going against the gravity minus 2gh, because the object is going against the gravitational force, so we have to introduce minus into it. Now, for an object that is going against the gravitational force, its final velocity is equal to 0 at the highest height. But I want you to recall something, that recall that y is equal to u sine theta, and this is vy, and this one is what, uy. So that, but the final velocity at the highest height is equal to 0. We have this 0 squared equal u, because this uy, and uy is equal to u sine theta. We're going to have u sine theta all squared, because there is square here, all squared, u sine theta all squared minus 2gh. So that 0 squared is the same thing as 0. let me take this to bring 2gh to the left hand side of the equation. So this negative will change to positive. We'll be having 2gh to be equal to, open bracket, u sine theta squared. U sine theta squared. So that we open this bracket, we're going to have 2gh is going to be equal to, this square is for everything in the bracket, is for u and is for sine theta. So we're going to have u squared multiplied by sine what is okay, sine 45 times is equal to 1 sine 45 degree, and it is equal to 1 over 2. We're going to have sine okay, we're not going to use this again. The sine theta is equal to 1 all upon root 2. So we're going to have 1 over what? Root 2 all squared. Yes, sine theta, and we're having the theta to be 45 degree, and it is equal to 1 all over root 2. So instead of us writing sine 45 degree here, the value is already given here to be 1 all over root 2. So remove sine theta from here and replace it with 1 all over what? Root 2. So that 2gh is going to be equal to, what is our u squared? What is our u? The initial velocity is what? 1 over 2u. So that we're going half u. Okay, half u all squared multiplied by 1 squared all over 1 squared over what? Root 2 all over root 2 squared. So that the 2gh is going to be equal to, this square is for everything in the bracket. 1 times u is the same thing as u, so I don't even need to write this. We're going to have u squared all over 2 squared is equal to what? 4 multiplied by 1 square is 1, and this square take care of this. We're going to have 2 here. So let's go to the other side and continue from there. Let's continue from the other side. So 2gh is going to be equal to u squared times 1 is the same thing as what? U squared all over 4 times 2 is what? 8. Now let's cross multiply, so that u squared multiplied by 1 is the same thing as u squared, and it will now be equal to 2gh multiplied by 8. 2gh times what? 8. So that u squared is going to be equal to 2 multiplied by 8 is 16. We're going to have 16gh. And we are asked to calculate the highest vertical distance. So let's divide the left hand side and the right hand side by the coefficient of h. So we're having 16g. So that 16g cancels 16g. H is going to be equal to, the height is going to be equal to u squared all over 16g. And our right option here is option A. Thanks for viewing. See you in the next video. Do remember to subscribe and like this channel so that when I upload a new video you get notified. Thank you.